How to buy $BPEP Bitcoin Pepe token crypto coin. If you're looking to buy $BPEP, the Bitcoin Pepe token, here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process and securely purchase this cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Pepe (BPEP) is a meme-based token inspired by the combination of Bitcoin and the famous Pepe meme, offering a unique and playful asset in the growing world of cryptocurrency. Follow the guide below to get started. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Before buying $BPEP, you need a secure cryptocurrency wallet that supports ERC-20 tokens. Since $BPEP is typically an ERC-20 token, here are some popular wallets to consider. MetaMask, a widely used Ethereum-based wallet with a browser extension and mobile app. Trust Wallet, a mobile wallet that supports a variety of tokens and blockchain networks. Coinbase Wallet, a user-friendly wallet that integrates with Coinbase for easy transactions. Once you've installed the wallet of your choice, make sure to back up your recovery phrase and store it securely. Step 2. Buy Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB. Since $BPEP is likely to be traded against ETH, Ethereum, or BNB, Binance Coin, on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, you will first need to purchase one of these cryptocurrencies if you don't already own some. You can buy Ethereum or Binance Coin on major exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini. Once you've bought ETH or BNB, transfer it to your wallet. Step 3. Connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX. Now that you have a wallet with ETH or BNB, the next step is to connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX, where $BPEP is listed. Some of the popular DEXs are Uniswap, for Ethereum-based tokens like $BPEP, PancakeSwap, for Binance Smart Chain tokens. Here's how to do it. Visit Uniswap or PancakeSwap and click Connect Wallet. Select your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. Ensure your wallet is connected to the correct network, Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Step 4. Find $BPEP token. Once your wallet is connected, you need to find the $BPEP token on the exchange. Here's how you can do it. Search for Bitcoin Pepe, $BPEP, in the DEX's search bar. If you can't find it, you may need to enter the contract address manually. Make sure to double-check the correct contract address from a reliable source, such as the official Bitcoin Pepe website or trusted community channels, like Telegram, Twitter, or Discord. Step 5. Make your purchase. Now that you've found the $BPEP token, it's time to purchase. Here's how. Choose how much Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, you want to exchange for $BPEP. Review the transaction details, including slippage tolerance and gas fees. Confirm the transaction. Your wallet will prompt you to approve it, so make sure you have enough funds to cover the gas fees, transaction fees, on the Ethereum or Binance network. Once confirmed, your wallet will automatically receive the $BPEP tokens. Step 6. Store and monitor your $BPEP tokens. After the transaction is complete, you'll see your $BPEP tokens in your wallet. You can track the price and performance of $BPEP through various platforms like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX tools. Always be cautious when holding meme-based tokens. Price volatility can be high, so make sure you're prepared for fluctuations. Important tips and warnings. Double-check the token contract address. There are many fake tokens out there, so always verify the official contract address before making any purchases. Beware of scams. If you come across any too good to be true offers or promises, proceed with caution. Stick to trusted platforms. Gas fees. Make sure you have enough Ethereum, ETH, for gas fees on Ethereum-based transactions. Security. Always use two-factor authentication, 2FA, and enable extra security measures for your exchange and wallet accounts. Conclusion. Buying $BPEP Bitcoin Pepe token is simple and can be done via decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Always do your research and be mindful of the risks involved in cryptocurrency investments, especially when dealing with meme coins. Happy trading, and remember to secure your assets.